Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the Venn diagrams with 3 categories. Okay, so the first question is, in a group of students, 65 play football, 45 play hockey and 42 play cricket. Then 22 play football and hockey, 25 play football and cricket, 15 play hockey and cricket, and 8 play all of them. Find the total number of students in the group. Assume that each student in the group plays at least one game. So when they say at least one game, so that means, like suppose we have these three. So when they say that at least one game is played by each student, so our universal set, and A union B union C, they are same. Okay, so here what they have given, that 8 players play all of the 3. Now this question can be done in two ways, either just using the formula or using this method that they said 8 play all the 3 games. The strategy is always start filling in the common of all of 3, then common 2 values, and then the individual. So the first thing is A, they play all of them. So for example, this is football, this one is hockey, and this one is cricket. 8 play all of them. This is a part where each of the 3 are playing. So this is 8. 20 play hockey and football. 20 play football and hockey. So this is football, this is hockey. 20 play these together. See now, if I highlight, this is they are saying. This total is 20. Already this is 8. So how much it would be? 12. Right? This is the important thing. You must understand it. Next they said 25 play football and cricket. So 25 play football and cricket are these ones. 8 is already there. So 25 minus 8 will be 17. So those 17 will be here. This part only. This is 17. 15 play hockey and cricket. 15 play hockey and cricket. This one. So this is 8 already. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. Now they said, now see, we started with the games, the students which are playing all of the 3, then 2 at one time, and now we will play individual, like football only. This area is football only. Okay. So now what they said, 65 play football. So 65 is this total. So already we have used here. So 65. So this area will be this one. It will be 65 minus 12 plus 8 plus 17. So 65 minus 37, and which is equivalent to 28. So this is 28. Similarly, how many students are playing hockey? So hockey is played by 45 players. But those 45 is not this thing. This is hockey only. And here it is written 45 play hockey. That means those 45 players, out of those 45 players, some can play some other games as well. But those 45 playing hockey also, not only hockey. Okay. So again you have to do the same thing. You have to subtract this 12, 8 and 7 from hockey. So 45 minus 12 plus 8 plus 7. So it is 45 minus 27, 18. Then cricket. 42 play cricket. So 42 play cricket means this total is 42. So what is this value? 42 minus 17 plus 8 plus 7. That is 15, and then 42 minus 32, and which is equivalent to 10. So this is 10. Now we have to find total number of students. So total number of students, you can add them all. So what it would be, I am just rubbing it off. So total game students will be 28. Start from here. 28 plus this is 12 plus 8 plus 17 plus 7 plus 10, this is 10, and plus 18. So how much are they? They are 40 plus these two is 40. These two are 25. Then this is 7 as it is, and this is 28. So it is 65 plus 35, which is equivalent to 100. Okay. Next question is, okay. An advertising agency finds that out of 170 clients, 115 use television, 110 use radio, 130 use magazines, 85 use television and magazine, 75 use television and radios, 95 uses radio and magazine, and 70 uses all of three. Draw the Venn diagram to represent the data. How many use only radio, how many use only television, and all this. See, the way I solved the question 1 in this video, exactly same pattern you have to perform, and you can answer all of your questions. So let's draw that one again. As I told you, always start filling in the common of all of three. So these are the television, this is radio, and this is a magazine. Okay, the common is 70. Sometimes it will not be given, so you can assume it like X also. So here it is given, it is 70. I use the different colors to show. 70 is this thing. Okay, then 95 uses radio, 95 use radio and magazine, 95. That is this total. But already 70 is here, so how many will be here? 25, because total should be 95. So automatically you will have to adjust. Then, so radio and magazine we have done 95. Okay, this is done, this is done. 75 uses television and radio, 75. So this total is 75. This is 70, so this will be only 5. So this part is done. 85 use television and magazine. 85 use television and magazine, this total. 70 is already here, so here how much? 15. Now 170 clients are there in total. 115 use television. 115, that is this total. So 115 is total television. So how many are these? 15 plus 5, 20, and then 70, 90, minus 90. So this area is 25. This is radio only. This is television only, 25. So radio only is the first question. So radio is 110. So subtract this value from 110, because 110 is this total. 110 is this total, but we just need to find out this thing. So 110 minus 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 70, 100, minus 100. So 10 people are there only. Only television, 25. How many use television and magazine but not radio? Television and magazine. Television and magazine are these ones. Television and magazine are these ones. But if you see here, some of the people are included who are studying magazine. This part is in magazine. So we just want television and magazine, but not radio, sorry. So radio is this one. This portion is of radio. So that means we just need this thing. And we already found it. How much it is? 15. So that's the answer. So if you draw the Venn diagram, it would be quite easy for you to explain and to understand and to give answer for each of the questions. Okay. Okay, next question is, in a town 85% of people speak Tamil, 40% speak English and 20% speak Hindi. Similar question, let's see. Here you just need to consider one thing, that they have given 85%, so that means there are total 100 people. 85, so there are three languages, Tamil, English and Hindi. Again I said that we have to start from the common area, but here they ask find the percentage of people who can speak all the three. So we don't know that, so let that be x, and total people are 100, and out of those 100 somebody will be speaking Tamil, somebody will be English and somebody will be Hindi. Out of these three languages everybody is speaking at least one of these. Okay, now they said 10% speak English and Hindi. So 10% means out of 100, 10 people. So if x people are studying common, so how many will be these? Because this total is 10, so this will be 10 minus x. 13% Tamil and Hindi, so it will be 13 minus x, because this total is 13. So if this is x, so this will be 13 minus x. And then 32% speak Tamil and English. So 32 is this total. So 32 minus x will be this thing. Then 85 speak Tamil. So how much is Tamil only? Tamil only is this region. So they will be, this is 40 speaking, 85%. So 85 minus 13 minus x plus x plus 32 minus x. Now there are two methods to do this question. Either you can directly apply the formula, or you find each of them individually and then solve. I think formula will be easy because directly you have to substitute the values. Total are 100 people. So that is like N, A, union B, union C, it is 100. Okay, and that is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C, because this is a straightforward question. They have not asked only anything like that. They just asked like all together, plus N of C minus N A intersection B minus N B intersection C minus N C intersection A, and then plus N A intersection B intersection C. So we'll just plug in these values. So 100 is equal to N of A is 25, that is Tamil, 40% speak English and 20 Hindi. Then minus 32, directly we can do 32 minus 13 minus 10 and plus this x value, or you can write here x directly. So we can solve this equation. So this is 100 is equivalent to, if we add all of them, so 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 14, 17, 18, 19. Oh sorry, we have to subtract as well. So first we will add 85 plus 60, so it will be 145. Okay, then minus we have to do 3 into 5, 3 plus 5 plus x. So this is 100 is equivalent to 90 plus x. So 100 minus 90 is equivalent to x, so x is 10. So 10% of the total population speak all of these three languages. Why I am not solving this question with this diagram? Because they just ask a direct question that how many all together. So we already have that formula and we already know all the values we need. But if they ask only television, only Tamil, only Hindi, only English, then we can use it. Okay, so I think this question is clear to you. Then one question is like an exercise for you. and that question is this one. This is a question for you to practice, and one more question is there. Yeah, this one. At a certain conference of 100 people, there are 29 Indian women and 23 Indian men. Out of these Indian people, 4 are doctors and 24 are either men or doctors. There are no. This is a question based on two sets only, but it is a bit tricky question. So I just want to solve you these two questions. Okay, one is this question and one is given previous this one. Okay, if you find any difficulty, just let me know. I hope based on what I taught you, you can do these questions. Thank you.